Are you confused about Kubernetes networking? What's the difference between a pod, a service, and an ingress? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how traffic flows in a Kubernetes cluster, and you'll even deploy your first ingress controller to route external requests. Let's break it down step by step. Let's start with the basics, pods. Pods are the smallest compute unit in Kubernetes. Each pod gets its own internal IP address. But here's the problem. Pods are ephemeral. They can die and get replaced at any time, and their IPs can change. This is where services come in. A service gives you a stable endpoint to access your pods, even if they're replaced. It acts like a built-in load balancer that distributes traffic across all the pods in a deployment. Kubernetes also provides a built-in DNS system. Every service gets a DNS name, like myservice.cluster.local, so pods can easily discover and communicate with each other. And finally, ingress. An ingress is like a smart router. It exposes HTTP and HTTPS traffic from outside the cluster and routes it to the right service inside. With ingress, you can use a single external IP and map multiple paths or host names to different services. Let's see it in action. Here I'm deploying a simple NGINX web server and exposing it with a cluster IP service. In Minikube, we can enable the built-in NGINX ingress controller with this command. Here's our ingress manifest. It routes requests for hello.local to our NGINX service. Finally, let's test it. We'll add hello.local to our host file and open it in the browser. Now you understand how Kubernetes networking works and have a working ingress controller. For step-by-step instructions and the YAML file used in this video, check out the blog link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more Kubernetes and DevOps tutorials every week.